You're done. What the fuck?
Oh, shit.
My nuts.
John Lovio, how does it feel to get raped by two guys? I didn't get raped by two guys. Yeah, you got humped by Marcus and you got humped by EJ. But I humped them too. How does it feel to get raped by two brothers?
I'm straight like an arrow.
An arrow's not straight.
It is.
It bends. An arrow bends.
Got me like both directly in my nuts.
Hey,
No,
you did right.
I've been hitting you in the nuts all day.
Kick me in the nuts. Projection.
In the nuts sock?
Kick me in the fucking nuts. Ow!
Yeah, spread them then.
You got 10 seconds.
Spread them cheeks. Move your hands.
Hurry up, 6, 5.
Like fucking jackass all over it.